guys, so discuss natin yung MA ni Sir J. Ito po yung nangyari. Alright, so let's start with the front. Double FC, and then naka 8-9 DAR, double aluminum rollers, and then sa baba meron din tayong bearing, okay. And then wide brakes. Then for the brake plate, hindi siya gumamit ng rear brake plate, pero ginamit na yung dalawang popsicle here, okay. And then what else? Dampers, nips and cone. Okay, lipat tayo sa side. Dampers, heavy, and then AR na side. We used FRP brake plate, and then hindi siya gumamit ng anti-sabit Super X, but he used FRP mount. Okay. Then rollers, 19mm ringless, and then dampers, medyo kakaiba yung dampers niya. Tatlong slimline. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. And then this is the extended popsicle. Ito yung 13.9 FRP. So yun yung gamit niya. And then new champ na battery. And then for the motor and gear, okay, so 3.7 and Hyperdash. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like this video. You can copy the setup if you want. So Sir J, any message? Wala. No message. Okay, so thank you guys. See ya.
We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.